Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Looming Lady. Today we will be making a magic ring, and to do this we will be using our hook. You can use either a metal one or a plastic one, it doesn't matter, and 8 elastic bands. To start, we'll take a blue band and hook it on our hook. We will wrap the band once, creating 2 loops on our hook. Now we'll wrap it a third time to create 3 loops on our hook. So it'll look like this. Next, I'll grab an orange band. I'm going to hook it on my hook. And I'll just flip my hook over here so you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. I'll pinch the 3 blue loops and slide them up onto the orange band. Now sometimes a blue loop might get stuck on the hook. That's fine, just flip it up on over. Now we're going to loom up so that the 2 ends of the orange elastic are on our hook and all 3 loops of the blue band are pinched between our fingers. Now you pull one end of the orange loop through the other. This is called a slip knot. This is very important as I will use it in most of my designs, and most of the other videos you'll see use slip knots as well. Take your hook, stick it back through those 3 blue bands, or those 3 blue loops, I should say. All right, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And I'm going to grab a green elastic band this time. I'm going to hook it. I'm going to pull it through those 3 loops of the blue elastic. Pull it just like that. Now I'm going to loom it up. I'm going to take that end green band and I'm going to pull it through the first green one, kind of like a slip knot, but I'm going to keep going and pull it all the way through the orange band as well. This move is called a single crochet, and it is very important if you're doing any kind of loomigurumi looming. Grab a next orange band, pull it through all 3 loops of the blue elastic, loom it up, and now you're going to take the end one and pull it through the orange band and through the green band, just like that, making another single crochet. Put your hook back through that capping band with the 3 blue loops. Grab the green one. Pull it through those 3 loops. Now loop it up and take the green band and loom it through. So you notice this time I pulled the elastic through both on my hook at the same time. That's totally fine, and it saves a lot of time in the future. But in case you missed it, I'm going to take that hook, pull that orange band all the way through those 3 blue elastics, loop it up. I'm going to do this one at a time. So through the orange band, and now we're going to go back through the green band. So that's a single crochet. I'm going to do this one more time. So here we go. Through those 3 blue loops. I'm going to grab our next band, hook it, slide it through the capping band, loom up. I'm going to pull it through both this time. So there we go, that's our single crochet. Now we want to count the bands, so you'll notice I have 6 on the outside, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 6 bands on the outside. In addition, we'll have our 7th band, that blue band, the capping band, in the middle. Now, this is technically a magic ring. However, if we would leave our bands like this, they would come undone. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So take your hook, stick it through these 2 orange bands here. So it looks like this, and this is the start of the tying off process. Alright, so this is going to make sure that all our hard work doesn't come undone. Let's take a blue band. We are going to hook it through these 2 orange bands here. Right, so the orange one is the first band, and then we're going to pull the blue band all the way through the green one. So this is a little bit different from what we've done so far. So now we only have the 1 blue band on our hook, and the other one we hooked between our fingers. We're going to loop it up, just like this, and then we're going to pull that blue band all the way through, creating a slip knot. There you go. Once you've done this, you can take your hook on out, because now all your work is safe and secure. So this is what it looks like as a final product. You can see we have all 6 of our bands along the outside. You'll notice I have the alternating colors. So we started with that orange one, and then we went green, orange, green, orange, green. Alright, so I'm going to flip it over. You can clearly see the pattern on the inside, those alternating colors. Don't forget the capping band in the middle. And this is what your final product looks like. Thanks for watching.